Just got back from Aldi, and our Aldi haul is going to include a certain theme. It's going to be a little on the higher protein, healthier side because we've been on vacation and indulging. And so now we have to, one, restock the fridge and get everything back. And so we have meals for the week. And also we want to cut back because we have been indulging. So we're trying to lower the carbs, get increase to the protein, and make a few healthier meals for the week. So let's get into everything I bought from Aldi. I also have some Aldi finds, some great things I found this week. And then also I'll go to our menu board and show you what I'm planning to make this week. So let's get started over here. High protein usually also means high produce. So we have a lot of produce here. Let's go through it. We're going to be making a lot of salads and a lot of sides with our protein. So we got some cucumbers and some white mushrooms, another head of lettuce along with spinach. And then I got more Brussels sprouts. I just love them. And then we got some broccoli. I got 2 bundles. So just 2 packages of the heads of broccoli because we're going to do them in multiple ways, and we love our broccoli. And I also got 2 bags of the classic coleslaw. I'm thinking about making, we have in the fridge that is the leftover corned beef, and I'm thinking that would be great as a bowl, like a corned beef, actually like a Reuben bowl. So that's what I'm thinking, and that's why I got 2 classic coleslaw. I also picked up just another instant chopped kit salad here, steakhouse wedge, for those quicker meals and throw some protein in such an instant dinner. So more veggies and more produce. I got 4 avocados and some tomatoes and red onions. That right there screams guacamole, which that sounds so good to go with cucumbers and anything else we'll be making this week. And then some fresh strawberries and some asparagus. Then we get into more of our protein. I did get some of the deli sliced smoked salmon. That's so good for breakfast. And then also some salami, the Italian salami, dry cured salami slices. And then more provolone slices. And for more cheese, I was thinking this would be so good. Just a tomato mozzarella salad would be so yummy. And more cheese. Swiss cheese, that's to go with that Reuben bowl. And then extra sharp cheddar cheese. So we could shred all those up. And then some pork sausage for my husband who likes his breakfast bowls or his hash pork sausage. Just got a thing of that. And then I got some frozen seasoned turkey burgers. These were new, gluten-free, no MSG, 90% lean. I thought that would be so great to just throw with any of these produce, any of that salad and the veggies. Such a quick meal. I love that they're frozen and seasoned. So we're going to try those out. I've not had them before. And if you have, let me know in the comments if you like these and if you like that brand. But they're ready to be cooked, and I think they'd be great on the grill too. All right, we did get this item because I was thinking of a party that I'm going to be having coming up, and I thought this would be so great to throw in the air fryer. These mini tacos. They had 3 varieties: beef, chicken, and these Southwest veggie. Black beans, yellow corn, bell peppers, honey chipotle sauce, onions, Monterey Jack cheese, jalapeno. Does that say fried? Jalapeno fried. Oh, jack cheese and jalapeno fried in a crunchy corn tortilla. That just sounds so good. That would be so good with the avocados I also have if I make any guac as well. All right, more protein. Stepping it up with these turkey sausage and cheese eggwich. So they have 17 grams of protein. So these are basically a sandwich, a breakfast sandwich made out of these eggs. So it's a savory turkey sausage patty topped with a slice of sharp American cheese sandwiched between 2 fluffy scrambled egg patties. Sounded really good to me for 210 calories. I thought that would be a very great quick breakfast. So that is going to be an instant meal for the breakfast in the morning. All right, and then we got more protein just for all of our dinners. I did get this thin slice center cut pork chops. These were on sale this week. So a nice big package of that, a family pack. And those are going to be so good grilled. That would be so good on the grill as well. And then I love our baby back ribs. I love doing this in the Instant Pot. So as it's getting a little warmer, the Instant Pot becomes our favorite appliance as we throw our meats and proteins in there and get something quick without heating up the kitchen. Baby back ribs are a great thing to make in there. And then thinking of parties and thinking of just having this as a side is Italian style meatballs. It was this huge bag. I think this is, yeah, 3 pounds. They had 2 varieties, the beef, the Angus beef, and then the Italian style. I went obviously with the Italian, which is made with Parmesan and imported Pecorino Romano cheeses. That sounds really good. Fully cooked, so if somebody just wanted some extra protein, throw a couple in the microwave and you're good to go. I did get some fresh ground turkey, thinking of more of the bowls and different things. I'm thinking more Asian style for these, so that's why I picked up that. And let's spin these around. More ribs. These are pork style. These are the boneless. I like to sometimes throw them in the slow cooker with some sauerkraut and just some seasonings. But they may go in the freezer and not be made this week. I was just trying to stock up. I like to go to Aldi for a lot of our protein. So over here, let's talk about our condiments. First, I did get some keto-friendly bread. So we'll be making some sandwiches with the salami and the cheeses. And that's why I also got these carb control tortilla. They usually have these in the plain and then also in the wheat. I did notice they also had some high protein good options, but I wasn't sure about those just yet. I know these carb control ones, so but if you are looking for high protein tortillas, they do have like a spinach and a tomato basil, different varieties there. All right, more tortillas. I was going to give these a try. Egg white wraps, because they had them in different flavors, roasted garlic and herb. So you see there the 11 grams of protein, only 2 carbs and 60 calories. They had these in a variety of flavors, like everything bagel and maybe a sun-dried tomato, maybe, if I'm remembering. But anyway, a couple varieties of those, protein packed, low carb. So that'd be great. And look at how they made that with the tomatoes and the, oh, that looks so good. All right, then for a snack, we got these tagine, chili, and lime pistachios, dry roasted. My friends and I were just talking about tagine and how it's such a popular spice right now. It's perfect on the rim of margaritas or in a topping of your dips and all sorts of things. And of course, on your pistachios. So that's going to be a great little kick and a nice thing to have as a snack. Our condiments this time had to get more soy sauce, that Thousand Island dressing for that Reuben bowl. This was new. I just kind of intrigued me with all the grilling we're going to be doing. Okay, it's trying really hard to focus. It says butter garlic grill seasoning, and it's going to be so great on any of our items I have mentioned, or even on some seafood. We got some shrimp. I think that'd be really great on shrimp. We did pick up some cilantro, avocado, yogurt dressing, and dip. Just a nice, healthier little dressing. I like the cilantro avocado. And then we need some more half and half. And I did get some hot honey. This is actually thinking about appetizers. I have not had hot honey before, believe it or not. I have made my own where I've put some peppers in our honey, but I've not had the actual, like, everything mixed together. Thinking once again for appetizers for parties. I think that'd be a great condiment for that. Artichoke hearts, I just love them. They're great in any salads or anything we're making. And then sauerkraut, German style, for that Reuben bowl, anything else. Then I did pick up just 2 packets of the ranch seasoning. And this, with grill season, these are grill and bake mats. They're 2 in a pack here. I'm sorry, this is trying really hard to focus. It's going in and out. But these are those sheets you put on your actual grill, and they actually allow you to make grill marks with your vegetables or your protein. They even have it with a pizza on there. So I like it because if you're cooking something that you don't want to fall through the grates or, you know, through your grill, you want to have these sleeves. They're so good. And they, yeah, they're just reasonably priced, and see like shrimp skewers and different things. I really like those. So 2-pack of that. And then I did pick up this cutting board. This is a recycled cutting board. So it's made of recycled materials. But I just needed another new one that was just going to be for smaller produce and different items. So I just picked that up real quick. I think it was like $5. But yeah, it's going to be great. And what I love about it, dishwasher safe, so I could throw that in the dishwasher. Okay, then check this out, my Aldi finds. I saw this, I thought it was so cute, a propagation. These are the propagation vases. They had the style in this brass gold finish. They also had them in black. I just think they're so cute for this time of the year. And if you can see here, the little plants growing, they would make such a cute addition, like they have on a table in the foyer or just, you know, out and about in front of your window. They, you know, any just kind of little life. I think it's so cute. But these were, once again, available in the black finish and the gold finish. And I think they were, yeah, $9.99 for these. And then I did get a little impulsive, but we've been thinking it was time for us to have a new bedspread. And this was $34.99 on the king size for an embroidered quilt set. It's this beautiful blue, light and darker blue pattern, and it's reversible. So it's lighter on one side and has the darker flowers on the other. Our bedroom is blue. I just thought it would add just a new freshness. We haven't had a new bedspread in a long time. So I thought it's also a lighter, a thinner quilt, so it'll be good in the summer months. And then also to pair with it, we did also pick up, I say we, it was me, but it's gonna be for we. This is gonna be from, of course, our master bedroom. This is the king 4-piece sheet set. So it's gonna have both sheets and then 2 pillowcases in the pale blue. I just love it. I also love the texture of it. It's very soft, and I just really love that. So we're going to go ahead and put that all together, hopefully this weekend, to have fresh bedding. That'll feel so good. All right, so that's our Aldi haul. That's everything we got, everything we picked up. And now let's move to, oh, I'll put the total here for you to see the grand total. Keep in mind, this was because we haven't been to the store in a while with our vacation, so it is a little over budget. And now let's get to the whiteboard, and I'll share with you what we're going to be making, what's on the menu this week. All right, here is our menu for the week. We are going to make those Reuben bowls with the corned beef, Swiss cheese, and the cabbage slaw and the sauerkraut with the Thousand Island dressing. We are going to have the grilled pork chops with asparagus and probably a tomato and mozzarella salad to go with that. We will have the Instant Pot baby back ribs. I finished those off in the air fryer, and then we'll have some coleslaw on the side with that. Roasted chicken thighs. I have boneless, actually bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I thought that butter garlic seasoning would be great with that, and we'll roast that in the oven with some mushrooms and Brussels sprouts. Rotisserie chicken with a side salad, and Asian turkey lettuce wraps with that ground turkey, and then a trifle salad, iceberg, lettuce, cheese. I'm just listing the ingredients I have to remind myself. And if I don't do that trifle salad as an individual meal, I'll pair it with the rotisserie chicken and make side salads with all of that. So that is the menu, that's the plan. Then over here, just a reminder for lunches, all of the salad fixings, of course, and then burritos and the wraps with the salami, ham, and turkey we have. And then breakfast, we have those egg sandwiches, we have breakfast hash. I'm going to make that with my sausage and eggs and spinach, mushrooms, and sweet potato. And then we have those deli sliced salmon slices. And then I'm going to make a quiche with all that broccoli. And we have leftover ham from Easter and lots of cheese. So that's our plan. That's our menu. Looking forward to another great week. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.